Well, what a year it has been. From releasing our own song using AI,
Rolling through life alone with you, through the echoes of deep in the morning dew,
to celebrating St Piran's Day and Flora Day by putting St Newlyn East Band on a train. We welcomed some famous faces to Lappa Valley, with Duggee visiting us earlier in the year. And of course, we were pleased to welcome Paddington back as well. We celebrated the 30th anniversary of our very own Newlyn Downs Branchline, and the Duke of Cornwall made a very star reappearance as well. We welcomed a record number of visitors to our annual fireworks spectaculars. And of course, who could forget our gala in June celebrating 200 years of the modern railway. We even got on the television because we ran the longest ever train that Lappa Valley has ever seen. 2025 has been a year full of fond memories, and thank you all very much for your support and allowing us to make memories with you. Moving into 2026, there's lots of exciting plans and developments afoot, so we look very much forward to welcoming you to Lappa Valley. Meanwhile, from Keith, Sarah, myself, the team and Ellie, a very happy new year.